So hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, as you can see on my screen, there's a one Photoshop kind of icon called Photopea. If I'm clicking it, so it is going to open one window, and which is completely Photoshop. Okay, so this is the Photopea. If you search on the browser, you can find like a photopea.com, and again you can use that, or else you can install in your system and you can use all the features, whatever most of the features which you want, and available in Photoshop. Same you can get here. If you don't have purchase one or even crack version is not working, so we'll be like where to edit. So here's the option, and this is the free of cost. So let me show you how you can install. So this is actually done by the Chrome extension, and I'll show you how to do that. So very first open your Chrome browser. Okay, and after opening this Chrome browser, you have to search one website called Photopea. So Photopea, just type this one in your browser, photopea.com. Okay, this link will be in the description part also, you can find there. Okay, so very first time if you load, it will load this is the online. Okay, so you can find here, this is the online, and again if I close my browser, so this will be closed, right? But I won't be able to find out in the my desktop and somewhere else as I shown here to you, right? If you'll see here, as I shown, I click and it's open. So like that I want to do. Okay, so how to do that? So to do, what you can do, come here and come to install Photopea. Okay, you come photopea.com, go to more, and not theme here, install Photopea, and click on this install Photopea, and it will ask to install app, and click on this install app. Yeah, that's all, it's launched. Now you can see here, right? So it is launched, right? If I click close this, you can see the browser is here was one tab, Chrome tab. It is gone now, and if I will show you, so here the extra icon has been created. If I'm clicking this, so my Photoshop is ready, and I can edit as I want, right? I can easily import the file from here. I can take the new project as we usually work with the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Same we can use this option, and we can easily edit our image. So sometimes why this is helpful for you, sometimes if you are working for your website, if you're a web developer, not a graphic designer, but you are a web developer, but you need something good editing kind of thing to edit the images and banners. Actually, I do so many times. So in that case, you can use this option, and you can have a better photo editor with you like a Photoshop, and you can do like a pro kind of image. So this is the option. Let me know if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel if this video is helpful. And also have college video, if you want to watch, you can watch my channel as like how to block the ad, how to delete incognito histories and all. So that you can find on my channel. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel because I want to grow my YouTube channel, and I have a lot of plans on YouTube. So please support me. Thank you.